India is vast and offers a unique experience to its visitors. And one of the best places to experience the unparalleled culture of this country is by visiting one of its most romantic city, Udaipur. The city of lakes in the state of Rajasthan is also home to the Jagmandir Palace, which according to the local folklore, served as the inspiration for Taj Mahal's architecture by Shah Jahan.
In this video, we'll share 3 reasons why you should visit Udaipur and watch till the end to find out our top travel tips to help you during your trip.
I am Ash.
I'm Raghav.
And we are the Brown Expats. Our first reason to visit Udaipur is not only that it's one of the most beautiful places in India, but it's also an excellent place to experience various art forms, which is why it's often regarded as one of the most artistic cities in the world. One such art form is the miniature painting style of Rajasthan, which has been popular throughout many generations during royal era. The paintings are painted using very fine brushes consisting of only few hairs of the squirrel's tail. The paint colors are made of natural minerals and vegetable oils, which can also sometimes consist of real gold. You don't need to be an artist to truly appreciate the intricate details in this style of painting. These paintings are beautiful if you looked from normal viewing distance, but are even better when examining it closely, where every centimeter of the painting comes alive and tells a story. We could see each and every feather of the birds, embroidery on the costumes of characters, and every single hair on the tiger's fur. It's amazing to see how much hours the artists spend and their dedication to hand paint these paintings. To experience this for ourselves, we booked a miniature art workshop through Viator at one of Udaipur's famous art shops. This 2-hour workshop started with an introduction to the traditional materials and techniques, followed by creating our own miniature paintings, which we got to keep at the end of the session. I would say mine was better than Raghav's, but I'll let you decide. The painting itself is very relaxing and a form of meditation on its own, and was a nice break for us from all the sightseeing. So something we definitely encourage checking out when you're visiting. For more details and booking online, check out the link in the description below. The second popular art form of Udaipur is its variety of handicraft markets ranging from shoes, block printed textiles, jewelry and more. We spent part of our trip exploring the various markets, where we were impressed by the quality and variety of the products, such as this pair of shoes I bought from the shops in Bada Bazaar. Not only there were loads of variety, but they were reasonably priced. Each pair costing around 250 rupees, which is roughly $3, compared to how expensive they can be when buying similar things from malls in bigger cities such as Delhi. Buying from the shops is not only an excellent way to support the local craftsmen, but by visiting them and learning about the different handicraft techniques is also a great way to spend a day learning about the local culture. Udaipur is also an excellent place to experience Rajasthan's folk dances and puppet show, such as this show we attended, which started off with an entertaining puppet show, followed by a variety of traditional dance forms performed by skilled dancers. And as always, all the places mentioned are captured in our Google travel list in description below. Hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe. In this way, you will be supporting our channel and also will be helping us create more such videos.
Our second reason to visit Udaipur is due to its rich history and attractions. The city served as the capital of Mewar, one of the oldest and most prestigious Rajput clans in India. And this city is a testament to its rich history and glorious past, with magnificent palaces, lakes and temples decorating its landscape. One such place is the City Palace. Standing majestically on the banks of Lake Pichola, this architectural marvel is not only the largest palace in Rajasthan, but also the second largest in India. Its intricate design and rich history attracts millions of visitors every year, offering a glimpse into the royal heritage of Udaipur. This palace was built over 400 years ago by various kings and offers a panoramic view of the city given its location on a hill. Considering this is the most visited tourist attraction in the city and can get quite busy, we found the best way to explore the palace complex was to hire an official tour guide for an additional cost to walk us through the palace and share its fascinating stories about how the different parts of the palaces were used by its kings and queens and how they lived during their reign. Some of the temples in Udaipur are popular for their historical importance, stunning architecture, and cultural significance. One such example of this is Udaipur's Jagdish Temple, built in the 17th century, is known for its intricate carved pillars, ceilings, and statue carved from a single black stone. Udaipur is known as the City of Lakes because of its abundance of beautiful lakes such as the famous Lake Pichola. In the center of this lake is an island called Jagmandir Palace, renowned for its stunning architecture. The island consists of a hotel, restaurant, museum, and a garden, and offers excellent view of the city, and is also a great place for a lunch break. The best way to get to this palace and explore the lake is by taking a boat from the city palace. The boat ride takes you around the lake, ending at the Jagmandir Palace. And on the way back from the palace, you can also catch the evening sunset over the hills.
One thing India and particularly Rajasthan is known for is its luxurious hospitality. And Udaipur has some of the most iconic and beautiful hotels of India, such as the Taj Lake Palace. The building was originally built as the summer palace for the royal family before it was converted into a hotel. And it offers breathtaking views of the surrounding Aravalli hills and the cityscape. This unique experience though comes at a very steep price tag, where at a peak season, a night stay can cost upwards of $1,000 per night. But this warm Indian hospitality can also be experienced at more affordable properties such as the ones we stayed at, offering scenic views of the lake with spacious rooms, rooftop dining and excellent food. If you're interested in the hotels we stayed at, here are the videos on the top right corner.
So here are 3 reasons why you should visit. With Udaipur's peaceful and calm setting, its interesting architecture and history, and its pleasant weather offers an ideal setting for visiting. As promised, here are our travel tips. Tip number 1. The best time to visit Udaipur is between October to April, when the weather is most pleasant, with the temperature ranging from 5 degrees to 25 degrees Celsius, compared to the summer period of May to September, where the temperature can reach from 25 degrees to as high as 45 degrees. Our second tip is, Jagmandir can be hired as a wedding venue, resulting in being closed for visitors on those days. So keep that in mind and check in advance during your trip. Our third tip is, when looking for an accommodation, we suggest getting an accommodation by the lake if you can, as that way you can catch excellent views of the sunset and even do some bird watching.
Let us know if we have convinced you to visit, or if you think we have missed something in the video. Please do share in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found the video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe and help us make such more videos. Take care now and hope to see you on the next one.